Hello once again, YouTube. And today I'm going to be doing the Appondale journey book. It's going to be pretty quick. So ant, that's the beetle. No, the cockroach. And then there's that. There's a bird that comes here. That's a wild beast. There's a little bird that comes up here. It's called a weaver bird. And then there's a bird that comes right here. It's the fowl. And then yep, right there, the zebra. The zebra that comes there, click on it. And then there's this thing. I'm sorry. The, come on, rock hyrax. And then the meerkat is right here. Also, no, I don't want to do that. There's this snake, the black mamba, and then the warthog comes right here. He comes in rage or something, I don't know. And he's in the mud area and he comes right here. Is there anything else I missed? Oh yes, the mole. The mole pops up right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and this has been my really short journey book session. Thank you.